Fine. Can you tell me, are the voice and screen clear? Can you tell me, are the voice and screen clear? Just reply me in the chat box. Everyone? Yes. Everyone? Mehak, Prajwal, Sai? Okay. Let everyone join. We'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Let everyone join. Yes. So very good morning to all of you. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Yes. How are you doing all? All good? Yes, sir. Good. Let everyone join. Fine. Tell me, yesterday you got the notes? You received the PDF of notes yesterday? Yes, everyone? Received the notes in the PDF format? Yes, good. Okay, you can go through that notes. Okay, you can just read that notes also. Yes, you can do that. Yes. After the lectures, you can just go through all the notes. Whatever things which have been taught to you, those things you can find that in the notes. Okay, and then you can just read those notes. Okay. All right, sir. Yes. Fine. So what was the last point in the yesterday's lecture? Can you tell me? Last point काय होता बाळांनो? What was the last point? Representation of vector. Yes. Representation of vector. Yes. Vector is represented by a directed line segment. Yes. This is how we represent the vector. Okay. The arrow gives the direction of the vector and the length of the line segment gives us idea of magnitude. Okay. More the length of the arrow, more will be the magnitude of the vector, and smaller the length of the arrow, smaller will be the magnitude of vector. Yes. Mothi length, motha magnitude, smaller length, smaller magnitude. Okay, that we already know. Okay, now let us solve one more questions. So everyone write down along with me. Write down. The question is something like this. Represent a velocity of 20 km/h towards 30 degree east of south. Okay, let me write the question. You also write down. Represent a velocity of 20 km/h. Okay, sir. Sorry, my mistake. It should be kilometer. 20 km/h towards this is the magnitude of the velocity, and now we are giving the direction. Okay, 30 degree east of south. 30 degree east of south. Okay, fine. So first of all, draw the directions. Okay, first of all we have to draw the directions. Let us do that. Fine. Now let us decide the north direction. So this is our north direction. Now once you decide the north direction, automatically other directions get specified. Okay, automatically get decided. Now how to decide north direction, that is up to us. That is definitely up to us. Okay, Now let us take generally everyone takes this direction as a north direction. Okay, so we will also take this direction as a north direction. Now remember one statement. Remember one statement. If your face is towards east, then on the left hand side there is a north. जर जर तुमचा चेहरा ईस्ट ला असेल, ओके, इफ यू आर फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट, देन ऑन दी लेफ्ट हँड साइड देर इज नॉर्थ. पूर्वेला तोंड करून उभं राहिलं तर डाव्या बाजूला नॉर्थ. इफ यू आर फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट, then on the left hand side there is a north. So let's say this is you, this is you, this is your left hand, this is your right hand, this is your left hand, this is your right hand, and you are facing towards east. You are facing towards east. See, whenever you are facing towards east, on the left hand side there is a north. Okay, so if this is north, this must be the left hand side, and this must be the face, so this must be east, so automatically this must be west, and automatically this must be south. Reply me in the chat box. Is this trick clear to all of you? When you are facing towards east, on the left hand side you have the north. So this will decide north direction and east direction. Once the north and east direction are defined, opposite to north, south direction is defined. Opposite to east, west direction is defined. Okay, now you people tell me, if I draw something like this, let me check your understanding. If I draw something like this, and if I say this is the north direction, okay, then you people tell me this direction will be east, west, north, south. Think for it. Very good, Sheetal. Everyone. Rajwal, Runal, Yani. Just reply E or N or W or S. Mehek. Everyone try it. बघा बाळांनो जमतंय का? Sir, this is east direction, because if this is the left hand side, then our face must be like this. If you are facing like this is your left hand, this is your right hand. Okay, you are standing here and you are observing yourself from the top. Okay, you are observing yourself from the top. So this is the left hand side, this must be the face. Okay, and this must be the east direction. So automatically this will be west direction, automatically this will be south direction. In this way we can decide the directions. Okay, fine. Now let us come back to the answer of the question. Let us come back to the answer of the question. Now let us draw the coordinate system. Okay, let us draw the coordinate system. This you can write as extra point. This you can write as extra point. Okay, I will teach you so many extra points, so you will always write. Every time you get one extra point, you have to write the word extra point. Okay, here also write extra point. Write down. Okay, sir. Fine. Now let us draw the coordinate system. Yes, sir. We have drawn the coordinate system. The first thing is to decide the direction. Now 30 degree east of south. 30 degree east of south. Okay. Now what is the meaning of 30 degree east of south? Okay, how to draw that direction? Fine. First of all, decide the directions, the required directions. Okay, sir. Sir, let us take this as north. So automatically this will be east. Automatically this will be west, and automatically this will be south. Okay. Now we have direction as east of south. 30 degree east of south. म्हणजे from the south you have to travel towards east. From the south you have to travel towards east by 30 degree. Okay, so this is the south direction. Try to understand. This is the south direction. East of south means south कडून east ला जायचंय 30 degree न. Okay, east of south. mark arrows like this. Okay, mark arrows like this. 30-degree east of south. Okay, so south is the reference direction. From this reference direction, we have to travel towards east. We have to travel towards east by 30-degree. Okay, sir. So let's say we are on the south direction. We have to travel towards east like this. We have to travel towards east by how many degree? Sir, by 30-degree. By 30-degree. So this is going to be our direction. Okay, this is going to be our direction. Okay, so this will be equal to 30-degree angle. So in this way, first of all, we have to decide the direction. Okay, now after deciding the direction, now we have to decide the magnitude of 20 kilometer. Okay, now we have to decide the magnitude of 20 kilometer. So let all the markings are in centimeter. Let 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer per hour, or is equivalent to 3 lines. 3 lines means equivalent. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. Then how many centimeters are required? How many centimeters are required to represent 20 kilometer per hour? Reply me in the chat box. Everyone, you can do the cross multiplication and find out the answer of question mark. Everyone, ट्राय करा बाळांनो. डायरेक्शन तर आपण डिसाइड केली. करा ट्राय करा. Yes, Vedant, Sheetal, Brunal, all of you are giving the correct answer. Everyone try it. Let us do it here. Now we have assumed here 1 centimeter equal to 5 kilometer. We have assumed 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer. We have assumed. So for 20 kilometer per hour, how many centimeters are required? Very simple. 1 centimeter is equivalent means these 3 lines, equivalent of 5 kilometer per hour. Then how many centimeters are required for 20 kilometer per hour? Very simple. Do the cross multiplication. Okay, 1 into 20 is equal to question mark into 5 is equal to question mark into 5. Question mark as it is on the right hand side, this 5 in the denominator. So sir, value of question mark is equal to 4. Okay, so value of question mark is equal to 4. So for 20 kilometer per hour representation, we have to draw the vector of length 4 centimeter. Okay, so this vector should be of length equal to 4 centimeter, which is equivalent of what? Which is equivalent of 20 kilometer per hour. In this way, we have to represent the vector, its magnitude and its direction. Bola balanno, is this complete point clear to all of you? CW, clear and written? Understand it, get it, think on it, and then reply. If you have doubt, you can ask. We are going to solve other questions as well. Everyone. Very good, Nupur, Tirtha, Mehak. Everyone reply me CW. Clear and written. Prajwal. Vedant. Sheetal. Diksha. Brunal. Good. Chala balanno. Let us solve one more question like this. Okay, let us solve one more question. Aryan. Good. Let me move on to the next page. Chalo. Question. Represent on graph 6 meter displacement. Represent 6 meter displacement. Represent 6 meter displacement. Okay. along means direction, along 60 degree northeast. 60 degree northeast means 60 degree north of east. 60 degree north of east. So east is the reference direction. From the east we have to travel towards north by 60 degree. Do arrows like this. East is the reference direction. Okay, east is the reference direction. From the east we have to travel towards north direction by amount of 60 degree, and we have to represent 6-meter displacement. Okay sir, everyone do this along with me. Sir, first of all we have to draw a coordinate system. Yes, let us draw the coordinate system. Okay sir, first of all decide the direction north. Yes, if you decide the north direction, automatically south and west, sorry, yes, automatically east, west and south will get defined. Once you define the north, automatically east, west and south will get decided. Now sir, east is the reference direction. Yes, east is the reference direction. Now if sir, east is the reference direction, in that case we have to start here. East is the reference direction, and from the east we have to travel towards north. Okay, so we have to move anti-clockwise. This motion is called as clockwise, this is called as anti-clockwise. Okay, from the east we have to move towards north. From the east we have to move towards north. Okay sir, we have to move towards north. Yes, by how many degree? By sir 60 degree. Okay, so 60 degree. Okay, and what should be the length of this arrow? The length of this arrow should be proportional to 6 meter. Okay sir, so from the east we have to travel towards north by 60 degree. Okay, right. So sir, this angle must be equal to 60 degree. In this way we decide the direction. East or 60 degree north of east means east is the reference. From that we have to travel 60 degree towards north. We have to travel towards north by amount of 60 degree. Okay, now let us take, let 1 centimeter is equivalent of 1 meter, then how many centimeter are required for 6 meter? We can do the cross multiplication. 1 into 6 is equal to question mark into 1. Sir, answer is very simple. Question mark is equal to 6. Question mark is equal to 6. So 6 centimeters are required for representation of 6 meter. Okay, this we can assume. This is up to us. So here I will write 6 centimeter, which is equivalent of what? Equivalent means 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 6 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equivalent of 1 meter. Then 6 centimeter will be equivalent of 6 meter. In this way, we can represent the magnitude and the direction of a vector. Bola balanno, everyone. Bolo in the chat box, clear and written. Everyone. Now you are learning some new things. Okay. If you understand the basics, everything is very easy. Chalo, everyone reply. I am waiting for your responses. Shital, Vedant, Prajwal, good. Tirtha, very good. Nupur, do the smart work. Just write CW. Diksha, very good. Aryan, Runal, yes. Chalo, next. Let me move on to the next page. Now we know what is the difference between distance and displacement. Okay, we know what is the difference between distance and displacement. So let us solve one more question, one question on distance and displacement. Okay, so let me draw the diagram. You also draw along with me. You also draw along with me. Okay. First point, second point, third point. Okay. Now let me draw a straight line passing through these 3 points. Okay. Let me call this as the first point A. Then this is B. Then this is C. And on the left hand side, there is one more point. On the left side, we have one more point D. Okay. So draw this line as well. All these are straight line paths. Okay. Okay, sir. This is point D. Now see how the motion is. Initially, the particle starts at point A. Then the particle travels to point B. Okay. Now the particle travels to point C. Okay. Now it travels again back to B, again to A, again to D. Okay. So this is the total motion. So this is the path. This is the path, and here we are indicating the motion of the particle. Okay. So initially the particle was at point A. It traveled to point B. Then it traveled to point C. Then it traveled back. Okay, sir. It traveled back to point B. Again, it traveled back to point A. Again, it traveled leftward. And ultimately, it reached at point D. D for Delhi, B for Bombay. Okay. Generally, there is confusion while hearing B and D. Okay. So, B for Bombay, D for Delhi. There will not be any confusion. That's my trick. Okay. Okay, sir. Fine. So now there are some distances which are also given. Distance AB is already written as 4 meter. Distance BC is already written as 6 meter. And distance AD is already written as 5 meter. Okay. Now I will take single path and you have to tell me the distance and displacement. Okay. Let me take path AB. Let me take path AB. Okay. For the path AB, what is the value of distance? Reply me in the chat box for the path AB. Yes, everyone give the answer fast as possible. Vedant, Mehak, Sheetal, Aryan, everyone. Distance, patkan sanga baळांनो. Everyone, try it. Runal. Everyone, answer the question. Try it. It's not that difficult for you. It's a very small deal for you. It's not a big deal. Patkan sanga baळांनो. What is distance AB? We have to find distance displacement for all the paths. एक simple path घेतला AB. Everyone reply fast. Are you there? Are you there? Everyone try it. It's not that difficult. Yes, Aryan, 4 meter. Very good. Others also try it. बघा बाळांनो, A to B distance किती आहे? 4 meter. It is already given in the question. So right, distance is equal to 4 meter. Now you people tell me, displacement is equal to. So displacement is a vector. Yes, it is a vector. Now let us define the convention. Okay. If you have the rightward direction, take that direction as positive direction. And if you have the leftward direction, take that direction as negative direction. Okay. So positive displacement means rightward displacement and negative displacement means leftward displacement. Okay, fine. Now let us try to find out displacement between points A and B. Okay, let us try to find out displacement between points A and B. So A is the initial point. Okay, to find displacement, only initial point and final point we have to check. Okay, so initial point is A, final point is B. So displacement is, sir, rightward. Initial point is A, final point is B. So displacement is rightward. What is the length of the shortest path? Sir, length of the shortest path is 4 meter. So that is going to be magnitude. 4 meter is going to be magnitude, and the direction is rightward, and the rightward direction is to be given by the symbol plus. So here you will write displacement as plus 4 meter. Up to this CW, clear and written, everyone. For the path AB, distance is this, displacement is this. Very good. Clear and written. Yes. Now let me take the next path. The next path is ABC. For the path ABC, tell me the distance value. Distance equal to A to B, B to C. Mehak, think again. Yes. Sheetal, Tirtha, Aryan, all of you are giving correct answer. Everyone shall answer. Don't sit quietly. शांतपणे बसू नका. Diksha, correct. Sir, distance distance for the path ABC means A to B distance plus B to C distance. So sir, that will become, sorry, excuse me. So that will become 4 meter plus 6 meter. Yes. So write down here 4 meter plus 6 meter is equal to 10 meter is the distance. Okay. Now you people tell me displacement is equal to, for the displacement, actual path, no need to consider. Only consider initial point and final point. Yes, Vedant, you give the correct answer. Everyone try to give the answer. Take rightward direction as positive, leftward direction as negative. Aryan. करा बाळांनो, reply करा. Yes, all of you are giving the correct answer. Yes. Now displacement, sir, displacement for the path A, B, C. For displacement, sir, A point and C point are required. Initial to final point are required because displacement is the shortest path. So initial point A, final point C. So sir, initial point is A, final point is C. What is the length of the shortest path? Sir, length of the shortest path is 4 meter plus 6 meter. So that will be the magnitude of displacement. And sir, this displacement is in the rightward direction. Initial point is A, final point is C. The displacement is in rightward direction. So we will take that displacement as positive. Okay, so that's how we will get the distance and displacement for the path ABC. Okay, now let me take next path. Path is A, B, C, B. A, B, C, B path. Okay, means A to B, B to C, C to B. A to B, B to C, C to again back B. A to B, B to C, C to B. Bolo. Everyone, distance. Vedant, Shital, yes, all of you are giving the correct answer. Tirtha, Mehak, Aryan. Everyone try करा बाळांनो. You should now immediately get the answer. Okay, now these things should not be a big deal for you. Yani, perfect. You should get the answers easily now. You should feel that these are the very easy things, sir. If you understand the fundamentals, the things become very, very easy. Sheetal, think again. We are asking distance. Distance is the actual path length traveled. Yes. So for finding out distance, find A to B plus B to C plus C to B distance. Okay. Diksha, think again. Shital, distance cannot be negative. Distance is always a positive value. Distance is always a positive value. So you have to remove the sign. Okay. You cannot use minus 16 plus 16. Okay. The distance answer is only 16. Diksha, think again. It's not 9. Chalo. So let us try to find out. Everyone observe here. Okay. Now do not reply. Everyone observe here. Let us try to find out distance for the path A, B, C, B. Means A to B plus B to C. Then again C to B. Now you, Shital, gave the correct answer. So A to B distance. A to B distance किती आहे बाळ? 4 meter. So A to B is equal to 4 meter plus B to C. B to C distance is 6 meter. 6 meter plus A to B झाला, B to C झाला, A to B, B to C, आता C to B. Now C to B back again. C to B back again. Again you will travel a distance of 6 meter. So distance, just keep on adding, you will get the answer. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So that's the answer for distance. That's the answer for distance of path ABCB. Now tell me displacement. For displacement, consider only initial and final point. Everyone, right? Displacement is equal to, yes, Shital, Vedant. Everyone try. Tirtha, you have to think again. Displacement, consider only initial point, final point, and consider the shortest path length. Displacement is what? Shortest path. Aryan, you have to think again. Tirtha, now you give the correct answer. Aryan, you have to think again. Diksha, think again. Yani, correct. करा try करा. Sir, initial point is A, final point is B. That's it. Now draw the displacement. Sir, initial point is A, final point is B. Initial point is A, final point is B. That's it. Doesn't matter what was the actual path, A to B, B to C, C to B, doesn't matter. Initial point is A, final point is B. What is the shortest path length? Sir, shortest path length is 4 meter. So right here 4 meter. Okay. So A to B. Ultimately the displacement is rightward. This arrow is rightward. Okay. Initial point is A, final point is B. This is the shortest path. Its direction is rightward. Rightward direction is positive. So I will write plus 4 meter. And now everyone shall reply me. Clear and written. Everyone. Good. Very good. Yes. Good. Hello, Samjel. Slowly, slowly, you will understand all these things. Okay. Yes, sir. Just reply me clear and written. Next. Now let me take the next path. Chalo, the next path is, now all of you will give the correct answer because now you know the trick. Let me take the path AB, BC, CB, and again BA. A to B, B to C, C to B, again B to A. So A, B, C, B, A. Tell me the distance. Distance is actual path length traveled. Displacement is shortest path. Yani, perfect. Everyone tried. Tirtha, Vedant. Everyone tried. Should not be the big deal. Just keep on adding all the distances. सगळे distances add करा बाळांनो. Distance displacement आज विषय संपवून टाकूया. Distance displacement. पूर्ण कॉन्सेप्टच क्लिअर करू. प्रज्वल, एव्हरीवन. महक, आर्यन, काय आलं बघा बाळांनो डिस्टन्स. दीक्षा, correct. All of you have given the correct answer. चलो, let me write. A to B, sir, A to B is 4 plus B to C. B to C is 6 plus C to B. So C to B back again 6 meter. C to B 6 plus B to A. Here B, here we have B, B to A to B, B to C, C to B, again B to A, B to A, like this and like this, like this and like this. Now again B to A, again 4 meter. So that will become 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. So that will be 20 meter. Now you people tell me the displacement. बोलो बोलो. Mehak, Yani, Shital. Yes, all of you are giving the correct answer. So now you have got the concept. Very good. Everyone has got the concept. Aryan, think again. परत विचार कर. Think which is the initial point. Think which is the final point. What is the shortest distance between initial and final point? Displacement is shortest distance. Vedant, Runal, Aryan, think again. Check what is the initial point. Check what is the final point. Tirtha. Yes, Mrunal, you give the correct answer. Everyone, right. Sir, initial point is A, final point is also A. What is the shortest distance from A to A? 0. For the displacement, we have to check only initial point and final point. Initial point is A, final point is also A. Shortest distance between A and A is 0. Okay, that's it. No need of direction for 0. No need to write plus or minus. Reply in the chat box. बाळांनो, हे बाळांनो सगळ्यांना क्लिअर झालं का? Everyone shall reply. Is this clear? Initial point is A, final point is also A. So displacement 0. Distance is non-zero, but distance is not 0, but displacement is 0. Everyone shall reply small c. I'm waiting for your responses. Good. Yes. Yes, sir. Now we are getting it. आता बाळांनो last path. बघूया. Now everyone shall give the correct answer. Okay. Aryan, is this clear to you? Very good, Nikhil. Aryan, is this clear to you? बाळ clear झालं हे? Why it is 0? Good. Very good. Sir, बाळ next. Sir, path A, B, C, B, A, D. A to B, B to C, C to B, B to A to D. A to B, B to C, C to B, B to A, and A to D. A to B, B to C, C to B, B to A to D. Distance. Yes, all of you have already started to give the answers. Very good. Chalo, everyone give the answer of distance. Very good. Yes. Let me check if anyone gives the wrong answer. Tirtha, think again. Distance. You have to find out distance only. Just keep on adding. You will get the answer for the distance. So Tirtha, think again. All others are giving the correct answer. Let me check. Any other gives the wrong answer, we can correct him or her. Yes. Sir, A to B. Yes, Diksha, correct. A to B. A to B 4 plus B to C. B to C 6 plus C to B. Again back C to B. Again 6. B to A. B to A. You will travel 4 meter. And finally A to D. Finally A to D. So journey will be A to B, B to C, C to B, B to A, and finally A to D. A to D, that will be 5 meter. You simply have to keep on adding it. You simply have to keep on adding it. Okay. So 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 5 is 25. That's the distance. That's the distance. Tirtha, is that clear to you? Reply me. Small c, small n. That's the distance. 25 meter. Hmm. Hmm. Tirtha, reply me. Is this clear to you? How to add for getting the answer of distances? How to do the addition? Yes. Chalo next. Chala balanno, displacement. Everyone find out displacement. Yes. Vedant, think again. एवढी गडबड नको बाळ. प्रज्वल, think again. Sir, displacement is a vector. You have to think for the direction also. Rightward direction positive, leftward direction negative. Don't do any mistake. Yes. Don't do that mistake, Vedant. Don't do typing mistake, okay? Even though you know the answer, don't do typing mistake. Nupur, think again for the direction. बा direction चा विचार कर. काय direction आहे बघ. What is the initial point? What is the final point? What is the shortest distance? And what is the direction? Leftward or rightward? According to that, assign the sign. Yes, yes, yes. All of you are giving the correct answer. Very good. Yes, yes. All of you have given the correct answer. Chalo, let us decide. What is the correct answer? Let us decide. Sir, initial point is A, final point is D. D for Delhi. Initial point is A and final point is D. D for Delhi. Initial point is A, final point is D. That's it. So this is the displacement. Initial point is A, final point is D. So that's it. This is our displacement. What is the shortest path length? Sir, shortest path length is 5 meter. So right here 5 meter as a magnitude. And the direction is leftward and leftward direction. Okay, we have decided the convention for direction. Leftward direction we will take as negative. That's it. So minus 5 meter. Now everyone shall reply me in the chat box. Is this clear to all of you? Distance, displacement, logic, everything we have covered for each path. AB, ABC, ABCB, ABCBA, then ABCBAD, all the paths. Everyone. Now everyone shall reply. Displacement, logics. Okay. For your entire life, now these logics will be clear to you. Okay. Because we have solved the examples together. Okay. एकत्र मिळून आपण बरेच examples solve केलेले आहेत. Yes. Right. Good. Good. Yes, sir. Clear and written. Very good. Fine. Now let me give you one question. Let me give you one more question. And now you will tell me the distance and displacement. Okay. The final question in the logic of distance and displacement. Okay. Chalo, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's say we have a circular path. Okay. Let me draw the radius of the circular path. Let me write the value of radius as 2 meter. Okay. Let me draw the diameter. Okay. Let me draw the start point as A, this middle point B, this point C, this point D. Now tell me, path A, B, C, distance is equal to, you can take value of pi as 22/7. Okay. No need of doing exact calculation. Something upon something, distance is equal to, sir, something upon something, that is also okay. Something upon something, that format also okay. Find out everyone. I will wait for your response. करा बाळांनो, try करा. Right. Okay, Aryan, we'll cross check your answer. Okay, Vedant, we will cross check your answer. You have to find out the distance for the path ABC. A to B, B to C. How much distance will be traveled? How much distance will be traveled? Everyone try it. You can replace pi value by 22/7. No problem. And something upon something answer is okay. Sir, 56 upon 2. Okay. Sir, 57 upon 3. Okay. You can give the answer in that format. No problem. Everyone try it. Try it. Okay, Shital, we will cross check your answer. Okay, Yani, we will cross check. This is little bit trickier question. Yes, we will solve it. Okay, Aryan, we will cross check the answer. Radius of the circle is 2 meter. And value of pi you can take 22/7. Chalo everyone, let us try to solve this question. Sir, A to B, B to C is the half circle. It is the half circle, and for the half circle, total length of the circular path is called as circumference. Total length of the circular path is called as circumference. But this is, sir, half circle. What is the length of the half circle? Very simple. Circumference divided by 2. Total length of the circular path will be called as circumference. Total circular path will be circumference. Half of it will be equal to circumference upon 2. What is the formula for circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. So this is our circumference. This divided by upon 2. So this 2 cancel. Yes, sir. This 2 cancel. Answer will be pi into r. Now, sir, pi into r can be replaced like this. Pi can be replaced by 22/7, and r can be replaced by, radius is given as 2 meter. Meter is the standard unit. So no problem. No need to convert that unit. We can keep it as it is. So that will become 44/7 meter. Everyone replying in the chat box. Clear and written. Bola balanno. Write it, understand it, get it, and then reply. If you don't get, you can ask the doubt. बघा बाळांनो, सगळ्यांना समजलं का? एव्हरीवन अंडरस्टूड? Yes, very good. Everyone reply me clear and written CW. That won't take much time. Let's do the smart work. CW, clear and written. Yes, very good. Now, next. Can you tell me displacement for the path ABC? First point is over. For the path ABC, distance is over. Now tell me displacement. Or rather tell me magnitude of displacement. Forget about the direction. Just tell me magnitude of displacement. Magnitude means these two vertical lines. How to read these two vertical lines? Magnitude of displacement. Yes, Tirtha, Shital, everyone give me the answer. Magnitude of displacement. Vedant, just check the initial point, just check the final point and draw the shortest path, measure its length, shortest path length. How to read these two vertical lines? Sir, these two vertical lines are to be read as magnitude of displacement. Okay, magnitude of displacement. Okay. Sir, A is the initial point, C is the final point. So, yes, Mrunal, correct answer. A is the initial, C is the final. So, sir, this is our displacement. This is our displacement. So, which is equal to, sir, diameter of the circle. So, sir, how to find out diameter? Diameter is double the radius. That's it. Diameter is 2 times the radius. So, 2 times the radius. So, 2 times. Radius is in meter. Meter is a standard unit. No need to convert. So, 2 into 2 will become 4. Ultimately, displacement is ultimately shortest path length. So, unit should be of length. So, it will be meter. Reply me in the chat box. Clear and written up to this point, everyone. Tell me. बघ बाळ काय केलं यार यांना आपण? A is the first point, C is the last point. Okay, for displacement we have to check only initial point and the final point. Initial point is A, final point is C. So if you have initial point and final point, what we can do? Sir, we have to draw the shortest path. Okay, to find out displacement we have to write the shortest path length. So this is our shortest path. But sir, shortest path length is equal to length of the diameter. What is the length of the diameter of circle? So it is 2 times the radius. So this 2 as it is. What is the value of radius given to you? 2. So this 2 as it is, and the radius value is also 2. 2 into 2 becomes 4 meter. Now everyone reply. Now Aryan reply. Is that clear? बोला बाळांनो. Distance displacement. Today's lecture is dedicated for questions on distance displacement. Yes. Got it? Fine. So in this way you can decide the exact values of distance and displacement for various paths which will be given to you. Okay, fine. So in today's lecture, guys, we are going to stop at this point, and in the next lecture we will study the next concepts of motion. Okay, so chalo guys, everyone, bye bye. Let me end this lecture at this point. Chalo, bye bye everyone. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay, chalo, bye. Yes, bye bye. Yes, Nikhil, bye.